On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a rice and peas video. But I want to pause right here to say special thanks to all the people supporting the Jamaican Cooking Journey. A shout out to my patrons. If you'd like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description and join us over on our Patreon page. Our post notification shout outs today, they go right up there. Now we are going to do a rice and peas tutorial, but this rice and peas happens to be the beans, would be black-eyed peas. These are some black-eyed peas that I washed and I put them for pre-soaking probably about 7 hours ago. 6-7 hours, or probably overnight, they would be better. I'm gonna cook them off in my pressure pot. I'm a Jamaican. I actually not gonna stick around or to cook these for hours because they would take hours to cook. I don't think in 2024 I should be cooking beans for 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, and they are pressure pots. So if you don't like the pressure, you can cook them. I'm gonna be putting, and I'm gonna be treating it just as my regular rice and peas. 3 pegs of smashed garlic, and I'm gonna be starting it off with a little salt to taste. These black-eyed peas, they are filled with flavor, lots and lots of flavor. Just gonna give it a little stir. They have been properly soaked. Now after I have put them to cook, I will be using my brown rice. So I'll catch you when these peas are properly cooked. Next clip. Okay, now cooking fam, so we are back. I have cooked my peas and this is what it looks like. It's like this. So don't do like I do something to mash your peas. So you could do this as your regular rice and peas by beating your scallion and stuff, but I'm using a little butter right here. I've melted a little, this is margarine, and I've chopped a half of a medium onion and a few sprigs of my little homegrown scallions, and I am going to give them a little saute, just a little spin around inside here. My heat is relatively low, so I'm going to turn it up and I'm going to saute it in there. Also, I find myself here with pepper, and these are so light, really young pepper in there. That's what I have. So now I put it in there. So I'm gonna leave it, getting it up on the high, and I just want to not fully saute, just to have my little condiments there around in that butter. But you could do it as you do your regular rice and peas. I have a video coming up on the Jamaican Deb stream where I did this, okay? And you will see that I did it just like I did the regular rice and peas. So I have my pimento seeds. I've rinsed them, and I always encourage you to rinse your pimento seeds. If you know the journey of pimento seeds till you see them in the supermarket, you would agree with me on rinsing them. Okay, I'm gonna get some of my peas inside here because I actually have to use the peas. I'm gonna get my garlic too, and I've got to get the liquid from the peas because that's the flavor. So I'm gonna try to I think I may use all, I'm not sure, depending on the amount of brown rice that I have. So what I did, I have already washed my brown rice. I'm gonna get some of this liquid in here. I've already washed my brown rice and I have left it to soak. You know, brown rice, it have one little something about it. Yeah, I've gotten enough of that flavored water because I have some my coconut milk. And this, how can I tell you, cooking fam, you will see when you try it, or if you have not tried it before. I'm gonna get in some coconut milk right in here. And then I can just put the rest in here. So you see that I have this thing going on. Yes, I'm gonna let it come to a little boil, and then I know I'm gonna need some extra salt. My kettle is here boiling. I'll turn it off. Yeah, so when you see me next, you see this black-eyed peas, and we'll be adding our brown rice. Next clip. So I have given my black-eyed peas and the coconut milk and those little sauteed herbs, I've given them enough time to cook and gel together, just like how you would do your regular rice and peas. See, it has receded. This is where it was. So everything is properly gel. I'm gonna turn my flame down. I have got right here my brown rice. I did wash it, and I'm gonna put it right in there. You know, brown rice takes a little extra time than the regular white rice, so I used 8 ounces. I put that in the description for you or somewhere on the channel, the proportion. Okay, I think I will just do that. That makes more sense. I did add a little salt, extra salt, and this is it. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna be giving it a thorough stir around. Let it stir around properly to get the rice, you see that? Yeah, distributed among the peas and like that, just as we do with our regular rice and peas. I'm telling you, cooking family, this is a it. Go to the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train, and I think you will see that I did it and I enjoyed it so much. And you will, I think you will see that one before you see this tutorial. Gonna put my lid on, turn it down to the lowest. And when you see me next, I'll have black eye and brown rice and peas. Okay, now cooking fam, this is our brown rice and black-eyed peas. This is my presentation to you, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It is just this: brown rice and black-eyed peas. Yes, you saw it. Yeah, please do enjoy. Please make some for yourself. You can do this. I want to do a taste test for you. Yes, I do. Do. This is so yummy. It is so yummy. So let me just do a little taste test for you. You can take this, you can make your twist to it. If I had, I would put some corned beef in there, make it that barefoot rice and peas with the brown rice and the brown rice and the black-eyed peas. And that doesn't say when you put the pickled meat in there. You can serve it with your brown stewed chicken or whatever. You can serve this up and making this cool out with your ackee and saltfish, brown stewed chicken, curry, goat curry, tripe and bean, stewed, anything, oxtails. You do it your way. You twist and turn it, put where you want, put in it. I'm just gonna do the taste test for you. Wow, this is even more tasty than the one I made. Go to the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train. You will see that video soon, and you'll see where oh God, no, this is even more tasty because I didn't spend so much time on that one. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. I'll catch you again with another video.